Teacher Ambrose, as usual, from Riverflow International. Today, Teacher Ambrose is to take you through the heart. We want to talk about the heart. If you touch your chest, left side of your chest, you will feel something beating. It beats without stopping. So the heart stops beating only when someone is dead. It works day and night. It pumps blood in all over our body. So the main function of the heart in our body is to pump blood all parts of the body. Now, with me here on my board, I have the model, or I have the heart, diagram of the heart. Then, with me, as you know, for us Riverflow, we just want to use whatever we are going to talk about into reality, real life. So when we are teaching or we are talking about the heart, I have the heart here. So when you look at this heart, it is this very one I'm handling or I'm having in my hands, though mine is still closed. So when you open this heart, if I open it, I have the heart looking exactly like the heart we have on the chalkboard. Now, this is the heart. When you touch your chest, what you feel beating, it's this heart. The main function of the heart, as I have said, is to pump blood to all parts of the body. What are we going to look at on parts on the heart? We are going to look at the parts of the heart. Then, after looking at the parts, next time we are going to talk about the function of each part on the heart. So when you look at this heart we have on our board here, it has different colors. We have the one that is painted with blue color, then the one that is painted with the red color. Here I mean the blood vessels. When we talk about the blood vessels, so when you look at this blood vessel, we have this blood vessel, and we also, so when you look at this heart on my board, it has the blood vessels that are painted with blue color, and those ones that are painted with the red color. So when you look at this blood vessel and this blood vessel, they are painted with the same color. Actually, this blood vessel and this one, they are these two blood vessels. We have this, if you can look at it critically, and we also have this. This one returns blood to the right atrium, and this one also returns blood to the right atrium. So this is blood that is coming from the head and the arms, and this is the blood that is returning from the stomach, from the gut, then from the legs, from the arm up to the right atrium of the heart. So this is what we call a superior vena cava, and this is what we call inferior vena cava. Normally, we call it vena cava, but here we have the two vena cavas. This is the inferior and the superior. All of them, they return blood to the right atrium, and this is what we call the right atrium. Then, when this right atrium receives the blood, it sends the blood to the right ventricle. This is what we call right ventricle. Now, from the right ventricle, the blood is pumped via this blood vessel that is painted with a blue color. So here, when I show you here, it's this. This is the blood vessel, and this blood vessel takes blood to the lungs, and this blood vessel is called pulmonary artery. It's called pulmonary artery. So this pulmonary artery takes blood without oxygen, what we call deoxygenated blood, to the lungs. Once this blood reaches the lungs, it is oxygenated, or it receives oxygen. After getting oxygen, now it returns, or it comes back to the heart, and it is received by this blood vessel we call pulmonary. We call it pulmonary vein. This is the only vein in the body that transports blood with the oxygen. So this pulmonary vein receives the blood with oxygen and sends it to the left. This one is called left atrium. Left atrium. Then after it is received by left atrium, it continues, or it sends to, or it moves to what we call the left ventricle. The left ventricle. Then here in left ventricle, this left ventricle, we normally say that left ventricle of the heart are thick and muscular. Reason being, they are the part of the heart that pumps blood with the great pressure to move all parts of the body. And because of that, it needs that thick and strong muscles to pump blood all parts of the body. And when this blood is pumped from the left ventricle, it passes via what we call aorta. It passes via aorta. This is the spelling of the word aorta. It passes via aorta and goes to all parts of the body. So teachers, normally when we are teaching about the heart, where we confuse learners is that learners normally hold the heart like this. And once you hold it like this, then it cannot show you. It will be, when you hold the heart facing you, now where we are saying it is right, it will be left. So what are we going to do with this heart to our learners? We are going to have this model of the heart, and we place it in our chest. Once we place this heart in our chest, obviously, this one will become right side, and this one will become the left side. Then we are able to tell learners that that's why we are putting this side, the left ventricle and left atrium. Then this side becomes the right atrium and the right ventricle. Here we have the part of the heart that separates the heart into two parts. This part begins from here. We have the part that separates the heart into two, and this part is called the septum. Is called the septum. So those are some of the parts of the heart. In the next video, we are going to talk about the function of each part of the heart. Mostly those ones we have talked about. Meeting you in the next lesson.